Hi everyone! Andito kami sa DFC, actually dito sa Maki Restaurant. It's a Japanese cuisine. First time namin mag-dine in and we noticed kasi that the restaurant is a fine dining and very solemn, not crowded, maganda yung ambience. So, with regards to their food, ngayon pa lang namin malalaman kung ano talaga yung lasa nila. It's either delicious siya or sakto lang, mga ganun. At very accommodating yung mga staff nila dito. Very entertaining. So, yun.
Kallang değilsin, derin taban may neydi?